guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mitzel for those of you who do not know, and welcome. Today's video is very exciting. Today I'm going to show you my first second PR, and it's from Merit, and I'm very excited. You guys know I love Merit in this channel, and I was lucky enough to choose some products for Merit. They reached out, told me to pick up some products, and I'm very excited to show you what I got. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot, and let's get started. So Merit did reach out and they let me choose some products to show you guys. They have previously sent me some products. I don't remember which, I would need to go back, but there's like, I have a lot of stuff from Merit. They let me choose. So this is what the packaging looks like, how they sent it. Usually they send it in a little bag, which I'm gonna leave right here. I have two of those. I believe so, two of those. And we've got a lot of products to talk about right now, so yeah. So Merit is kind of new to the beauty world. I've known of them for, I would say, almost 2 years. Ever since the whole pandemic started, that's when I started to see more of this brand and know a little bit more. But I just love everything about it. Everything is super aesthetic. Everything is super clean. The packaging is just aesthetically pleasing. They're cruelty-free, vegan, and I just love it. It's just a great company, and I'm obsessed with everything. It's totally my vibe. Like I said, I already started my face makeup. The first product I used was the Merit. This is the Perfecting Complexion Stick. I have the shade Ochre, and I love to use this product when I want to do a no makeup look. It's super easy to use. I just apply it to areas where I think I need coverage. I also sometimes apply a little bit to my cheeks because this shade is a bit dark for me. So I really enjoy it, and it's super easy to apply. It's non-drying because my skin is like super dry, so this is not drying. It blends out beautifully, very skin-like, and I'm just obsessed. For bronzer, I just used a Fenty Beauty bronzer, the cream, what's it called? The Cheeks Out Cream bronzer in the shade Macchiato. It's just a beautiful bronzer for those no makeup looks. And for highlighter, I used the Merit Highlighting Balm in the shade Cava. This is one of my favorite highlighters. It's just super natural. It gives just a kind of wet skin look. I don't want to say like glow from within because it's not that. It's just a wet natural highlight, and I just love it. And it's becoming one of my favorite highlighting products. But now we're gonna do what I received. So I got to choose some stuff, which is very exciting. So the first thing I chose was the Merit Blush Balm. I love this blush. I already have this blush in the shade Terracotta. It's one of my favorite colors, and this time I picked up the Beverly Hills one. It's just a pretty kind of sun-kissed burnt look. Like always, I just apply a little bit in the back of my hand. And I'm gonna take the Merit 01 brush, number 1 brush. Just gonna apply it to my cheeks, and this just looks super glowy and natural on the skin. And may I add that it does last a very long time. Usually I like to use these types of products when I go to work because I don't want to have a lot of products on my face, but this just so nice. Look at that. Oh my god. And this is just a beautiful blush, especially right now for spring. I'm just obsessed, and I love how it just melts into the skin. Great product. Like I said, the shade Terracotta is one of my favorite blushes, and Beverly Hills will become one of them. Okay, now we're gonna move into brows, and this is the next product I have been dying to try. It's the Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade. I got the shade Brown, and look at this packaging. It's just a gold packaging with a long handle. You just open it, and then you have a brush. This is like a eyebrow gel that is already tinted, and those are my favorite products because I'm very lazy when it comes to my eyebrows. And this one is so good. I only tried it once, and I did really enjoy it because it doesn't over apply product. It's just like a little tint to my eyebrows, and that's what I like more on the natural days. And also I'm very lazy, so I do have thicker eyebrows. They're not like super thick, but they're thicker than most people I know. So it's this, the brush size is pretty good. Oh no, not the birds. My neighbors, I don't know if they have new birds or they're just birds that are flying at night and they are singing whatever they do all night. I do need to go in a few times with this product, but that's fine. I mean, I prefer to build it up like I want instead of just applying too much. And look at that, wow. Super quick, I did it like in 5 minutes. Love, 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 and the packaging is just very aesthetically pleasing. I'm just obsessed. I mean, I can have it in my vanity and it would look pretty. Then I also have the Clean Lash Lengthening Tubing Mascara. Oh, it's a tubing mascara. Tubing mascaras are those mascaras which you add water, and once you're taking it off, it comes off like in little, I don't know, like little crumbles or little balls. It's just easier to take off and it's better for your lashes instead of using like a cleansing balm or something. It's just better because you're just adding water and it's just falling off. But I didn't know it was a tubing mascara. And this one is, it's super basic, but I just love it. The gold with the black is just beautiful. And the packaging, it's not like the typical kind of tube mascara. It's just in a kind of square packaging, which I am obsessed. And the mascara wand is like so. It's just a beautiful mascara. Let me curl my lashes and I'll be right back. Hold up. All right, so we're gonna go in with the mascara. And the wand is a little bit big for my liking, but I tried this mascara today and I'm obsessed, so. All right, so that is one coat of the mascara, and oh my god, thought my lashes were gonna look a bit more natural, but they look nice. I'm crazy, so I'm gonna go in with a second. And that is 2 coats. I don't know if you can see. Wow. Oh my, I love this mascara. Should we apply a little bit to our lower lashes? Why not? Wow. Oh my god. I like this mascara. And I just want to point out I didn't apply eyeshadow just because I don't use eyeshadow every day. And for my more natural looks, I just let the darkness of my tired eyes be my eyeshadow. Okay, now let's talk about the star of this show. This is their new signature lip lightweight lipstick. I have the shade Slip and Tiger. This is a new lipstick. They just came out. It's a sheer lipstick with a satin finish with the benefits of a lip balm without the heaviness of a traditional lipstick. So these lipsticks are very hydrating on the lips. What I like about these lipsticks, it's that they're buildable. So you can have a very sheer color on the lips, or you can build it up so you can see the intensity of the lip. What I love about this, it's their ingredients. It has squalene and sunflower seed oil. This is to lock in long-lasting moisture. It also has papaya fruit extract, which is gonna soothe the lips, and also has raspberry oil, which is gonna moisturize and add a soft aroma to the lipstick. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very, again, aesthetically pleasing. And I got the shade Slip and Tiger. Slip is more of a nude lipstick. I'm gonna show you here some b-roll of this product. The packaging is gorgeous. You have this plastic top, and again, as well as the other Meredith products, this product is vegan, cruelty free, and comes in recyclable packaging. So you get this and then you just open it up. It has this gold packaging where is the lipstick inside, and right down here you have the Meredith logo, and in the other, which is the top of it, you get the shade name right there. So it's gonna be easier to see which color you're picking up. So you just see at the name, and it's very, very nice. The lipstick itself has Meredith embroidered into it, which is very, very nice. As what I can tell, it's a very, very lightweight product. I'm gonna show you some swatches right here. It's very lightweight. Like I said, you can build it up. It also has a different type of, it's not like your typical lipstick bullet. It has like a type of a sharp edge, which is going to be easier to kind of line your lips. I don't tend to line my lips when it's like a hydrating balm or something, but this will help me out a lot, again, with where it's gonna wear down. But yeah, so let's try slip first, and I'm gonna first show you one layer and then build it up so you can see how it can build up. So that is one layer. As you can see, it's a very nude color. I would love this when I don't want to wear like a full-on lipstick. Ever since the pandemic with the face mask and everything, I don't like to use any more like a full-on lipstick with lip gloss. I like something more hydrating and something that won't become a mess in my face mask. So this would be a very nice product. Like I said, this is just one layer, and I'm gonna do now two. That's two layers. You can see it has a bit more punch, but yet the lips still look hydrated, and that's what I love. Should we go with three? Okay, let's do three. And that's three. I love this color. This is like my perfect nude shade. It just has enough of brown, which I love. I don't like any pinky shades or anything, so this is like my perfect nude, and it feels still hydrating. And after three layers I applied, it still feels very lightweight on my lips and super hydrating, and I just love it. Look at that. It smells nice as well. Okay, now we're gonna go in with Tiger. Tiger is more of a terracotta burnt red color. You can see it's just a beautiful color. Ever since I saw it before Merit reached out, I wanted to pick up this product, and now I just took off a slip of my lips, but I also had a lip balm under. So right now we're gonna try it without any lip balm on my lips. So let's see how hydrating they are. And again, we're gonna go with one layer, two layers, and then three. Alright, so that is one layer, and again, these are my type of shades, those kind of burnt orangey kind of terracotta colors I just love. And one layer, I think that would be great for me, but let's try two. That's two layers. Again, still very hydrating on the lips. I think the other one looked a bit more hydrating because I had the lip balm underneath, but still super hydrating. I think I like it without the lip balm, but it's just so nice. Now let's go with three layers. And the applicator is super easy to go in those kind of edges and line the lips, and that's three layers. Super lightweight on the lips. It feels like I have nothing. Maybe it feels like I have chapstick or something, but it doesn't feel like a full-on lipstick, and I'm just obsessed. First of all, with the packaging, it's beautiful, and the feeling of the lipstick itself, I'm in love, and I'm glad I got these two shades because I saw they had other like pinky mauve shades, which I love, but on me, maybe because I'm like more on the yellow side, I don't think it suits me, but these shades are my go-to, and I'm gonna hide Tiger from my mom because I know she's gonna love it. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, I forgot about this. I also have two shade Slick that I picked up, and I already own one of these. This is a Tinted Lip Oil, and I picked up two more because I'm obsessed with this formula. So I got the shade Bel Air, which is more like a transparent color. It has a little bit of gold reflex in it, but it's not gonna add any color to my lips. It's just like a clear lip gloss. And then I have this shade Marrakech, which I love. I have been wearing now for 2 days, and this is perfect for spring. It's just that pinky peachy nude that's very weird to describe, but it's just a beautiful shade on the lips. But they're beautiful, and it's very hydrating. Again, like I said, the shade that I love, it's All Natural, and it's like my everyday shade because it just adds that kind of brownish nude. It's very similar to Slip. Just adds that kind of color to the lips, but it's still very hydrating, especially when I have to wear a mask for a long time. It doesn't get in the mask, and when I take the mask off, I don't have all that lip oil all over my lips. And again, very hydrating, and I just love it. I want to add a little bit of Bel Air to this. But of course I'm going to take it in the back of my hand because I don't want to mix the color. And because it's a lip oil, it's going to add a little bit more hydration to the lips. But oh my god, I have also dry lips, so this is pure magic for me. So I think we are done. So I'm not just saying this because Merit was very kind to send me this stuff and let me pick this stuff, but I'm truly obsessed with everything I tried today. Of course, there were some products that were already in my collection, but the new ones, all the lip stuff, the lipsticks, I want to say they're one of my favorite lipstick formulas in the market. I've been doing YouTube for, I want to say now, like 4 years? A little bit more over 4 years, and this is one of the best lipsticks formula. It's super hydrating, very lightweight on the lips. I love the idea that you can build it up. I'm just obsessed, as well as lip oils, as well as the mascara. It's so, so good. I love how my lashes look. They look very, very full. And my lashes are not like this. I use an eyelash serum. That's why they look long, but my natural lashes are not long. But I love how it looks. The eyebrow gel is just amazing, and I feel, oh my god, I haven't felt my eyebrows, but I feel it's gonna stay there for a while. But yeah, that was today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. I want to just say thank you for Merit for letting me choose some products and be able to share it with my viewers. If you want to try any of these products, I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can test any products that I've tried. I'm also gonna link every product down below with product names, product shades, and everything you need to know. You could also follow me on my social medias, which I always leave right here. Also follow Merit on their social medias because it's so beautiful, super simple, super aesthetically pleasing. You know, Gen Z loves that word. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.